Which harbor is known as one of the largest natural harbors in the world? A. Sydney Harbor. B. Mumbai Harbor. C. New York Harbor. D. Pearl Harbor. Answer. A. Sydney Harbor. Which harbor is famous for the historical event of the attack during World War II? A. Hamburg Harbor. B. Pearl Harbor. C. Singapore Harbor. D. Rotterdam Harbor. Answer. B. Pearl Harbor. Which harbor is one of the busiest ports in Europe? A. Port of Rotterdam. B. Port of Lisbon. C. Port of Athens. D. Port of Oslo. Answer. A. Port of Rotterdam. Which harbor is associated with the famous Golden Gate Bridge? A. San Francisco Bay. B. Tokyo Bay. C. Cape Town Harbor. D. Dubai Harbor. Answer. A. San Francisco Bay. Which harbor is the major port of India on the west coast? A. Chennai Port. B. Kolkata Port. C. Mumbai Harbor. D. Visakhapatnam Port. Answer. C. Mumbai Harbor. Which harbor is famous for being one of the busiest container ports in the world? A. Port of Singapore. B. Port of Venice. C. Port of Sydney. D. Port of Durban. Answer. A. Port of Singapore. Which harbor is located in Japan and is one of the country's major ports? A. Yokohama Port. B. Busan Port. C. Shanghai Port. D. Manila Harbor. Answer. A. Yokohama Port. Which harbor is known for Table Mountain as its backdrop? A. Cape Town Harbor. B. Auckland Harbor. C. Rio de Janeiro Harbor. D. Barcelona Harbor. Answer. A. Cape Town Harbor. Which harbor is known as the gateway to Canada's Pacific coast? A. Vancouver Harbor. B. Halifax Harbor. C. Montreal Port. D. Quebec Harbor. Answer. A. Vancouver Harbor. Which harbor is the busiest port in the world by cargo volume? A. Port of Shanghai. B. Port of Singapore. C. Port of Rotterdam. D. Port of Dubai. Answer. A. Port of Shanghai.